Hi, in today's video we are going to see how we can use Automapper when we have different properties name. So one class have one name and another class have different property names. So if you can see, we have a class CopViewModel like we have seen in our previous video. We have a different name in here, like it's showing the scope types, and we have different name in there, so we have put a one on inside that. So when we try to use Automapper to cast from one object to another, it will not cast it because it doesn't know that the property name which has one appended to it is the same property which is defined in the source class name. So for that we need to write a configuration so that Automapper can understand that you are talking about the same property with a different name. So let's see. So these are the two classes we have, and let's get inside F11, and then inside that you can see I have initialized this the list type, and we have scope view model, and inside that we can see that it has a different name, scope types name, scope types 1, and we have scope types and above. So let's this is the important part in there. So before that we were just using above line, but now when we write this thing for member, so what we are saying that the destination of scope type 1 should be cast with what, or map with what, ops.map from. So this is the optional configuration, and inside that we are saying that the map from, so which property it should map from. So in source you will choose the property which will be identical to this property. So I'm defining it that scope types will be mapped to scope types 1. So after this configuration we won't be facing any problem while casting it. So we can see it get mapped very nicely without having to change our classes at all. So this is how you can map one class to another when you have different properties name. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.